famous painter Vincent van Gogh once said, "Normality is a paved road. It's comfortable to walk, but no flowers grow." Life today seemed filled with inspirational quotes about how we can choose everything and do and be whatever we want. Seize the day, live every day like it's your last. Life is what happens while you're busy making other plans. Or what I wrote in the first of Rob's notebooks that I got to be part of.
Shoot for the moon. If you miss, you'll fall among the stars. Not even that sappy, it's just a stupid saying.
Shoot for the moon, and if you miss, you'll still end up among stars. So corny, really. I don't know about you, but when you get to a certain point in life, quotes like this kind of becomes annoying as heck. Here we are, definitely poster figures for the whole idea of following your dreams and doing what you're passionate about.
So go to the Facebook page, click on the link down below.
But what doesn't always come across is that there's a lot of hard work and struggles that come with this. Way more than a "you can be whatever you want" wall poster quote ever addresses. The reason I want to bring this up is that Rob and I have had many discussions around this as we were both approaching the 40-year checkpoint and struggling with making all of the pieces of the life puzzle fit together. Something that is not always talked about, but everyone should know. We all go through it. That the feeling of not being able to do everything, especially if you used to do this in the past, is just natural, but so darn hard to adjust to. Basically, I think this is what they call the midlife crisis. The reason why we're here today is that Rob is hitting a milestone in life and turning 40, and I'm still opening the video like a 20-year-old. Normality is a paved road, it's comfortable to walk, but no flowers grow. But to be honest, I don't think Van Gogh was all that off, except maybe a little bit unfair. Of course, we can still find flowers even if we choose to live comfortable. But what I want to think that he meant was that it's healthy to challenge ourselves past what we already know and at least occasionally pick roads that allow us to be in nature and appreciate the wild. Even if those roads may at first seem a bit less straight to walk and maybe not as profitable when it comes to hard cash.
Riding through the Swiss Alps!
When I met Rob 20 years ago, I knew there would be a lot of unpaved roads, and it would absolutely not be the most comfortable road to walk through life. And many other scars I have now to prove it. Split my thumb open kayaking. But there would be a lot of flowers to see and document. And I would be able to see and document them with someone I knew was as passionate about all this as I was, and on top of that, one of the most generous and great people I have ever met. I know this may sound like a sappy love letter, and I also know that the bromance comments are probably gonna rain on me after this from everyone watching, but hey, let it be so. In a way, it kind of is a little bit of a love letter, because the truth is, I wouldn't be who I am today and have what I have today if it wasn't for Rob. And on top of that, I'm also damn proud of who I am today because of everything that I've learned from knowing Rob.
Switch up format, so everybody, it's Rob here.
Last year, I turned a corner and passed the 40 sign, and I was struggling with a lot and couldn't find a way to pick myself up. This was kind of new to me and I didn't know what to do. What Rob did for me is beyond anything anyone could even dream of and surprised me here in Sweden with a trip up north to go and document Northern Lights. And it really hurts me now that I can't return this gift on the day that I should, but this is the true reality why I don't like many of those inspirational quotes. Sometimes life takes over and you can't do everything that you want. The plan is still to celebrate with you, man, just not on the exact day, but soon. In the meantime, I want to say a big happy birthday, bud. You, my friend, are and have always been such a true inspiration to so many people.
Well, I must admit, this is truly impressive.
And as much as you dislike inspirational quotes these days, let me just say that you are somewhat living proof of what a lot of people seek in those quotes. I do know the struggle behind everything, and I know that we go through ups and downs, but this is life. And if there's anyone who has ever taught me that there is a solution to everything, it is definitely you. I'm still deciding whether you hit the moon or actually missed and reached the stars, but the bottom line is you should be so proud of what you have done in your life. Being the inspiration to so many people in a field that you're truly passionate about, and at the same time having an amazing family and being the best role model you can be for your kids. And we have a lot more ahead, my friend. Nothing ends here, okay? We have many more unpaved roads to check out.
Is it safe to get up on that low peak?
even if we do have to stick to the paid ones maybe a little bit more often than before. But if there's anyone who can find flowers pretty much anywhere, it is definitely you.
Well, one of the neat things is I'm looking at all the trees that are around all the towns and in all the small towns and alongside the roads. It turns out a lot of them are actually American trees that they've brought over.
And I know for a fact that I'm not the only one you have inspired over the years here.
Many other people that we have met over the years that really honor and treasure your friendship. And if you ever start doubting this, let me prove it to you. Here are some of the people that wanted to check in and say hi. This is the quick version.
Hi Rob, it's Ed. I hear you're turning 40.
Hey Rob. Happy birthday, Rob.
Hey Rob.
Hey Rob. Guten Tag, Rob. Happy birthday, Rob.
Happy birthday, buddy.
Happy birthday.
Hey Rob, how you doing? Happy birthday, Rob.
Hey Rob, it's Mike.
Happy birthday, Rob.
Happy 40th birthday, Rob.
Hi Rob. Hi Rob.
Hope you have a special day.
Hey Rob, happy birthday.
Hello Rob, how are you?
Hey Rob.
Hey Rob, happy birthday.
Massive happy birthday. I hope everything is going well.
Nelson, take 2.
Hey Rob, and Misha here.
And then, I gotta be on camera too?
So, all the way from Singapore.
Happy 40th birthday.
Hi Rob.
And to wish you a super happy birthday.
Have an awesome birthday and I will see you soon.
I really use you as an inspiration for how I can continue to do the things that I'm passionate about.
Happy birthday, Rob.
Happy birthday.
It is your birthday. Joyeux anniversaire, my friend.
Hello, kiddo.
Happy birthday, Rob.
Oh, come on. Rob. Oh. Hey man, happy birthday.
And of course, you will have the longer versions to view in private as well. And to anyone else who missed the opportunity to send in a video clip, keep sending them in. I know Rob's gonna love to see everyone's greetings coming in. All right, Rob, big happy birthday, and we will celebrate soon next time I see you. All right, cheers, man. Have a good day.